In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Magnates media style plane animation in Davinci Resolve. Let's start with creating the timeline. Uncheck project settings. Go to format and change the frame rate to 60. Select center crop with no resizing. Then hit on create. Start by dragging the background. Go to the fusion page. Drag the cloud tool and connect the white dots. Now do the same with the yellow arrows. Go to inspector tab and flip the image. Change the center X value to 2.8. Set a keyframe. Go to keyframe 400 and shift the center X to the right. As you can see, we created the arrow animation. Now, let's add the plane. You can rename the nodes by pressing the F2 button. Let's add camera shake to make the floating smooth. Reduce the speed scale to 0.06. Drag the text node. You can type whatever you like in the text box. You can change the text font from here. Personally, I like impact. Move the text a little bit, change the size, etc. Go to shading and uncheck the enable. Go to the second element and click on enabled. Change the color to white. Now, do the same for the second text. Click on text 1 and add rectangle mask. I am going to resize the rectangle mask so it matches the length of the text. Select the frame where you want the mask reveal to start, then set a keyframe. Now do the same on the frame where the text is fully revealed and move the mask to the right. And as you can see, we got our text reveal animation. And now let's animate the clouds. It's the same way we animated the arrow. Move the image, set a keyframe and so on. Now do the same for the second text. Let's add the transform node. Go to the frame 150, then set a keyframe. Then set a keyframe on size and the position. Select the frame where you want to zoom in, then set a keyframe. Voila! Thanks for watching.